Let's see what we have here. This is the portable vacuum cleaner. It comes in this cool packaging. It has different parts to suit your different vacuuming needs. It's so easy to assemble. Let's try it out. It really gets those tight corners. It's so easy to use yet so effective. This is a different vacuum head. This is so stress-free. It picks up dirt from the tightest corners. It can be used to vacuum windowsills. It's really picking up dirt. Once you're done vacuuming, it's so easy to dispose of the dirt.